We've already had some storms wipe through our area, and they've caused major problems in Odessa.
Power still out in that area. KMBC9's Matt Evans is joining us live with more. Matt.
Well, a lot of the damage right here in the center of town. As you can see, the power lines were snapped right off of their bases in some parts. Power, they're still working on to get it back, but all these power lines are now not active that are on the ground. Also, piles of sticks that were once 2x4s supporting a roof to a storage center, and then even things just hitting sides of buildings like this siding on this building completely damaged. A lot of trees into homes, also shingles off of roofs, sheds ripped apart. One woman was out for a walk when this storm hit. Now the storm was on her so fast she couldn't go back to her house. Her husband went ahead to unlock the door, but she couldn't make it, and she couldn't stand up with a strong wind, so she just held on to the next closest thing.
And I knew I wasn't going to make it, so I just grabbed my arms around this telephone pole and was hanging on, and the shingles was flying off of the back of the house and the wind was blowing. And I was afraid if I let go, I'd probably just roll clear across the street.
Now remember that scene in Twister where they're in the pump house and they grab onto all those pipes? Well, that's where Brenda got that idea in the first place. Reporting live in Odessa, Matt Evans, KMBC9 News.